After an 11-hour bus ride, we arrived in Bangkok at the famous Khao San Road. We were so tired, we just wanted to go to bed.
Good morning and welcome to Thailand.
The next day we started with breakfast in a bakery. We haven't had that kind of bread in weeks. Afterwards, we explored the city while the party people were still asleep. After our city stroll, we took the train to the airport. After 2 days of traveling, we arrive in Chiang Mai. We checked into the hotel and now we are out to search for food again.
After lunch, we strolled through the city and found some interesting shops.
Look at the electrical grid. It's astonishing how they wire everything here.
Wherever we are, we always check out the local McDonald's because the menu is different in every country.
So we just wanted to cross over this traffic mess, and there are like traffic lights where you press the button to get over, but it never switched to green, so we just ran over. Kinda crazy here.
We've been in a few malls in Chiang Mai, and in each one was a whole floor with gaming arcades, not only for children but also for grown-ups. After some thrift shopping, we had a food break where Peter ate a Thai fried scrambled egg and I got some coconut ice cream. On our way back home, we stopped at a famous speciality cafe to check out their awesome latte art. In the evening, we rented a bike and went to the cinema. This was so much fun. We were almost alone in the whole cinema, and at the beginning of the movie, there was kind of an advertisement about the King of Thailand.
We just were at the cinema. We watched Buzz Lightyear, which is a great movie, and now we wanted to go home out of the underground parking garage, which is just for scooters and motorcycles. And I took the wrong exit, and now we drove on the highway and we are at the emergency. not that we need it, but yeah, we're at the hospital. Now we will see how we get back.
Chiang Mai is the city of temples. As there are about 400 of it, we decided to do a whole day of temple hopping and visit the temples we wanted to see.
Welcome to Thailand.
So we are currently sitting in the garden of a temple, and this one is, I guess, the biggest one we've been yet. It has so many, I don't know, houses, temples in one place, and the gardens in between are very beautiful, and the animals enjoy it, like birds all around, and there are little ponds in vases and on the ground. It's so cool.
Little gardens between the different temples.
Yeah.
The statues. It's really beautiful, and except the one who is mowing his lawn is really idyllic.
For everyone who wondered how a durian tree looks like, or that they even grow on a tree, that's a durian tree. And there are like very big ones up there. Imagine getting these on your head or falling on your head. Cool. We are at the Wat Jetlin now, and it's the coolest temple of them all, I think, because there is a big pond and bridges made out of bamboo, and you walk on them and they like give a little bit, so it feels kind of like a suspension bridge. It's very cool. In the evening, we stopped at another mall, which was very weird for us because everything was sold out of a box and on the floor. Checking out the hotel pool, it's pretty cool. And there you have the gym. And then here's the pool. There's breakfast, everything in one place. It's so cool because the pools here are cool, not heated. So the pool is like, I don't know, 25 degrees or 22, and outside temperature is 30, so it's a good cool down. Again, and I think the hotel doesn't have that many customers at this time because I'm always alone in the pool or nobody can swim. Oh, mosquitoes. Yeah, it's pretty cool, so the pool for me alone. Peace. pretty chill.
The next day we went to an even bigger temple outside the city, where we seemed to be the only tourists. In the evening, we often went to different markets around the city to get souvenirs like incense sticks and wooden Buddha statues. This market was definitely the biggest we've ever seen.
Good morning. We have our last breakfast in Asia. Yep. The next one will be in the air. So we will enjoy this one. But we also... A lot, yeah. But we also will enjoy going back and seeing family and friends and being back in Europe.
And having cheese breakfast, like real cheese.
Yes.
Dark bread with butter.
Yes.
Real
Very
cheese.
very good mountain cheese.
Yeah.
We're so used to it, and here it's just nacho cheese, cream, and
But
it's not the
chicken.
same.
Chicken everywhere, so every dish includes an egg. Also with breakfast.
Yeah.
That's good, but we ate many eggs in the last month. And many chicken.
Yeah, I think like every day at least 2 eggs.
Yeah.
So there will be a
I'll
little
have an
less.
egg break.
Yeah, there will be an egg break. Yeah. So we will enjoy this. See you at the airport.
See you later.
Thanks for watching this episode. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more from us in the future, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. If you want to support what we're doing, feel free to join our community on Patreon for more exclusive content, early videos, behind the scenes, and much more. Thank you and see you next time. And don't forget, life is easier when you keep it simple.